actually called myself 6 years old.
So how old are you going to be when the cicadas come back?
I'm going to be 25.
How do you
I'm
know?
going to be 26. Because I'm 8 years old right now. So 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25.
Oh, okay. And you counted 17?
Yeah, because there's 17 years now.
Is there another way that you can figure that out without counting on your fingers?
I could have.
What's that?
8 plus 7. I could have done. Well, what I did was I knew 7 plus. I'm 9, so 9 plus 10 equals 19, and then I added 7 more.
All right, excellent. And you came up with what?
26.
26. You're 26 years old.
I should have figured that out without my fingers.
Yeah.
I know what 9 plus 7 is. How could I know? 10.
So how did you figure out number 5?
Because it lives 1 year and dies 1 year, and a cicada dies 1 year and lives 1 year. That means it won't.
How long does the cicada? What's the life cycle of a cicada? How many years?
1.
It's 1?
No, 17.
It's 17. Please stop doing that. 17. So how is that going to change your answer? It is going to affect it because it's not going to be one generation that it would have to go to.
It's going to be a lot more.
Okay, how are you going to figure that out?
The same way we figured out the first answer, but a little bit different.
Okay, so what's going to be different?
We subtract. The first time we add.
Okay, so how can you figure out how many of that 1 year insect's life cycle is in a cicada's life cycle? What could you do?
17 minus what? Wait. 17 minus 1?
That's how you would figure. That's how you would figure it out. So you're saying there are 16 1 year life cycles in 17 years?
No.
No. How could you figure it out?